Today we'd like to cover some frequently asked questions in regards to our copy and print equipment. The first question that we get consistently is, how much is this going to cost my organization? And although we like to be very straightforward and honest in our answer, quite frankly, it depends. It depends on many factors, but some of the more common factors are number of end users, print volume, finishing capabilities, security needs, and most importantly, how your organization is going to leverage that piece of equipment. Now, typically ballpark cost is a desktop device, small print device that would sit somewhere on a desk, or a small work group would be somewhere from a few $100s to maybe $1,000. A larger piece of equipment, a standalone copier like the one I'm standing next to, would be somewhere in the few $1,000s all the way up to tens of thousands of dollars. Lastly, if you have large production needs, a high volume, or very specific quality, you could range all the way from tens of thousands of dollars all the way up to hundreds of thousands of dollars. The other piece of the puzzle that we help navigate is, how do you acquire that device? We typically recommend that if you're an organization that is focused on operating expense, you would probably be leasing a piece of office equipment. If you lease your fleet of cars, your building, and those types of things, and that's your fiscal strategy, we have those options for you. If you're an organization that would typically utilize a capital expenditure and be depreciating those assets over time on a purchase, we would recommend that option going forward for a piece of office equipment as well. The financial part of acquiring the device is one part of the equation. The second part is finding a service partner that can keep your machine up and running and your end users happy. Picking a reliable service partner and getting a correct service plan that fits your organization is very, very important. Those pieces of the service plan can range from a flat fee to a cost per page to something in between. The next piece of the puzzle to evaluate is implementation, training, and how you utilize that device long term. Implementation would require some IT resources, security conversations, timeline, and how to train the end users. At Loffler, we offer ongoing training and support, as well as ongoing service through help desk and IT services long term. The other piece is your account management. Finding someone that's checking in quarterly, that will grow and listen to your needs throughout the term of the contract. The last piece I always recommend to my clients, whether it's Loffler or anyone else, is pick a partner you trust first, that you know can deliver on your needs, and then negotiate and look at pricing from there.